Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by to watch my video. In this video I'm going to show us how I made this beautiful, crunchy and delicious chocolate chin chin. Trust me, this recipe is different from any other chocolate chin chin recipe you might have known. If I say that, yes, I mean it. So if you want to know how I made this recipe, make sure you watch this video till the end to catch the full gist. Okay guys, let's explore together. So here are my ingredients for my chocolate chin chin. I have my evaporated milk. This is my pure honey, pure original honey, my cocoa powder, margarine, this baking powder, this salt, this is date paste, this is my flavor, and of course this is my flour. Okay guys, let us get to work. So guys, I've already sieved in my flour, so the next is for us to add our cocoa powder. You sieve it in also. So I add in my cinnamon or nutmeg, then we'll mix together. Your salt, my baking powder, so we have basically added all our dry ingredients, so mix them together. Then we incorporate. Make sure the margarine blends together with the flour. Guys, this is my favorite part, and I'm sure it's also your favorite part also. You know, when I share recipe here, trust me, the recipe is healthy and yummy. So we move on to pour in our date paste. So then we'll pour in our just a little bit of liquid flavor. So guys, if you find this video interesting, why don't you give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and turn on your notifications so that you get notified when I upload healthy, delicious recipes like this. So after pouring in our date paste, pour in our liquid milk. We are adding all our liquid ingredients at once. So guys, the thing here is, if you observed, I'm not using sugar, so my date paste and my honey will serve as my sweetener. So I'll pour in my honey also. It will come out so fine. So let's mix together. We mix and form into a dough. Our dough is ready, so we allow this to rest for 30 minutes before we begin pressing and cutting. Okay, so our dough is ready and our chin chin is ready to be cut. So once we begin pressing of the dough, I want to thank you all for subscribing to my channel and for coming back to watch my video. I so much appreciate the love. So for those of us that's just subscribed and those who have subscribed before, I say a big thank you. Thank you for encouraging me. And if you are yet to subscribe, encourage me by subscribing to my channel. So if you observed, guys, my chocolate dough is not too dark. That is because the more cocoa powder you add, the more sweetener that will be needed, and after frying also it will become darker. Every ingredient in this chocolate chin chin recipe is healthy, from the flour to the pure cocoa powder to the honey to the date paste. You can go ahead and check out the nutritional value of these ingredients and you are going to be wowed. I can already perceive the chocolate flavor aroma. Oh, this is gonna be delicious. I want you guys to try out this chocolate chin chin recipe. I want you to try it out and come back and give me the comment. I need your feedbacks. Come back and give me the comments, the comment section. I'll be happily waiting for your comments. Ta-la-la! We are ready to roll. Our chocolate chin chin is ready to be fried. Let's go. Let's check if our oil is hot enough. It's hot enough, I guess. I've poured in my chin chin already. So you might not be able to easily dictate when it is done, but once the face of the oil is becoming clearer, then it is okay. So right now I'm going to scoop out my chin chin. Our chocolate chin chin is ready. This is beautiful, guys. Yeah, this is crunchy and delicious. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you really like it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And one more thing, make sure you check out my other videos for more amazing recipes. Live healthy, snack healthy. See you in my next video.